Hey friends, thanks for watching. So today I have another StitchFix haul and review. This time around I wrote to my stylist and I mentioned that I just wanted all sweaters. It's still cold in the Bay Area where I live, and I'm going to Minnesota very soon, and I wanted some sweaters to wear while I'm there. And I wanted these sweaters to be comfortable because that's first and foremost the most important to me. I choose comfort over style, over trend, over anything, and I think I communicated that pretty well to my stylist this time around. And so I've got 5 sweaters to show you guys, and I'll let you know whether or not they did well with this fix. So the first thing I wanted to share is this sweater. Oh my gosh, let me read you what this is actually. This is the Absolutely Sanchez Cold Shoulder turtleneck pullover. So this turtleneck pullover is $50. I love it. Like, I love the turtleneck. This is gonna keep me warm. I love the cold shoulder. I like the length. The fit is fitted, but at the same time it's kind of long in a way. I feel more like it's kind of like a tunic because it's long enough to cover my butt. So I feel like I could even get away with wearing leggings with this, or like skinny jeans, or you know, a skirt or whatever. But everything about it, I love stripes, I love the fabric, I love this. They did such an incredible job with this. $50 is a lot, so I better like it for me to actually keep it, and I'm totally gonna keep this one. I love it. They did a good job with this one. And then they actually sent, I think they know that I like black now. Black is like my favorite colors to wear. I think I actually wrote that down somewhere maybe. But black is one of my favorite colors to wear lately. I don't know why, but I love the color. I just love wearing it. And I love florals, and I feel like they got me. Because what did they send over? They sent over a StitchFix black sweater with florals. So here's the thing, this looks like a sweatshirt, but it's not made of like that jersey material. I actually want to know exactly what material this is made out of. This is made out of polyester, 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So when something is polyester, I don't feel like it doesn't have that cozy feel to it. You know what I'm talking about? Like the way this feels. It doesn't feel cozy and comfortable like my allergic to morning sweatshirt that I actually purchased through StitchFix, like from a previous, if you watch my previous haul, I'm wearing like a pink, I try on a pink sweatshirt, and that fabric, oh, it was so soft. I wear it all day, every day. Whenever it's clean, I put it on. Like, they did such a good job. So this, I think, is cute, but it just doesn't feel cozy. I know that sounds weird, but that's how I feel. And this one is the, what is this called? This is by Britain. 9 Britain Jerica knit pullover, and this is $46. This is something that I will not be keeping just because I don't like the way it feels. Like, it's more, you know, there's more to an outfit or a clothing than just the way it looks. It also has to feel good. And speaking of feeling good, oh my goodness, they kicked so much butt with this one. This is a pink sweater, and it's by 9 Britain again, and it's the Desiree Hacci knit top. So let's see the price. The Desiree Hacci knit top is also $46. It's a V-neck. It's great for layering. It's perfect. It feels so good. But I just bought a pink sweater from StitchFix a while ago that says allergic to mornings. So I'm definitely going to pass on this. But they did such a good job. Like, if I didn't have that pink sweater, I'd get this one too. It's so soft and just perfect. Good job. And then they gave me 2 like cardigan jacket options. This one, goodness gracious, this is everything. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, it's gorgeous. You guys have to see it. It looks like this. It's a suede, like, moto type of jacket. If you guys know me, you guys know I like that whole moto look. Like, I got this pink one from VC Dolls a while ago. And then I got, like, a pleather jacket from Ann Taylor Loft that I bought when it was, like, 50% off or something like that. So I get these vibes, like, when I see this. Like, this is so, like, the detail of it is so beautiful. Like, the back, there's like little holes on the back, but it's just such a beautiful, beautiful jacket. but I feel in a way that the fit is kind of weird, like the length is long, it's too long, and that's a hard thing to do because sometimes jackets have to fit specifically for a petite frame. I have short arms, I'm 5 feet tall, so sometimes jackets are too long. That's why when I bought my Ann Taylor Loft jacket, I bought it in the petite size, and the length for my pleather jacket fits beautifully. So this is gorgeous, but the length on the arms just isn't, it's not. But the price, I'm very impressed by the price, because usually StitchFix sells things that are a little pricey, but this is pretty good price range. This is a Kendara faux suede jacket, Pixley, $88. So I thought it's actually a pretty good price. And then the last thing that I wanted to share is this cardigan, and oh, I love it. Like, I totally am like, am I gonna get it? Am I not? Am I gonna? Because I'm definitely getting this for sure. And I think I'm gonna get this too because it's, I love it. It's totally me. Or am I? Should I? I don't know. I'm like, I don't know if I am or if I'm not, but I do love it. And it's got like the braid material. Oh, it's soft. It's warm. It's long. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's navy blue. I don't have a navy blue sweater. It's got like this braid feature. Like, it's so cute. They did a good job. I think they did an excellent job with this knitted cardigan. It's from Absolutely Creative Worldwide. It's size small. And it's called the Anisa Lace-Up Detail Duster Cardigan, $50. I bought a $50 cardigan from Old Navy a while ago. It's like this white one, and this one I feel like has more details to it. So $50 is not bad at all, and it's got pockets. Oh my gosh, this is like, it's so cute. Justin's gonna totally make fun of me and say that's my grandma sweater, because I've been really into grandma sweaters. Like, I bought one from American Eagle, I bought one at Old Navy, I bought one at Target, and this might be my third or fourth one that I buy, because I just love it. It's so cozy. You can wear it with leggings because it's super long enough for that. You just wear like a t-shirt and leggings, and this with some flats or boots or whatever, and you're good to go to run errands. I just think that's so comfortable. So this time around, I thought that StitchFix did a much better job. I just wish that they did a really good job for the StitchFix that I, like, when I actually needed it. Like, I really needed a cute dress to wear for Justin's employee party, and I had to just find something in my closet because none of those worked out. But this time around, they did a good job. So thank you so much to my stylist, Megan, who actually styled me this time around. You did an amazing job. I don't even know if she's gonna ever watch this. This video is not sponsored. I purchased the StitchFix myself, like I always do. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to try out StitchFix, I'll include my invite link down below, and you can give it a try if you like it. And if you guys are not familiar with StitchFix, it is a service that allows you to receive 5 pieces of clothing, even shoes, accessories. You fill out like this survey. They figure out your style, and then a stylist will pick out clothes for you based on your body size, like based on your preference that you fill out the survey, and also based on what you like to show. I told them I don't like showing my stomach. I don't like wearing clothes that are too tight, and they totally got it this time around. Sometimes I feel like it takes a while for them to really get your style down, but they did an excellent job. Like, I liked everything. Like, visually, I loved everything. But when it came to feeling things and like also sizing, this was the only thing. Like, it's cute, but it doesn't feel good, you know? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.